Well, now I am going to discuss about the concatenation of string. Concatenation is nothing but adding up of two strings. Just like when we add 2 and 3, we are going to get a sum as a 5. When we use means when we add two of the string, we are going to get the result as a add up string. Like here we have the x equal to name, or x equal to hi, and next I use y equal to Google, and next I use a print x plus y. Then we are going to get answer as you know the concatenation of both the array. Like we are going to get a hi Google as an answer, and in fact you can able to add the spaces between the hi and Google. Now it is not showing you hi Google, it is showing you hi Google, but it is not showing you the space between the hi and Google. You can able to add that using another string, and you can use the plus sign here and run the program. Now it is going to show you a space between a hi and Google, and well, it's not showing. I will work on it. Now it is showing a space between hi and Google. Why? Because we haven't left space here when we added the string, therefore it is not shown the result properly, but it is now it is showing the result properly. And this is how we use the concatenation of the string. Sometimes it is required that you have to add an integer into a string. Such cases are not possible in the Python, but you can do it with some function and with a casting. Like if I use here x equal to hi, well, x equal to hi, I said hi, and in the y I am going to store Google. I said hi Google. In z or I'm going to print, well, x plus y, and here I am going to use 2 plus I am going to use a string times, and now it is going to show me an error. Why? Because you cannot add a string and an integer or a number together. In such cases we can use a casting, which is a first format, and another one is a formatting, which is a string format. Here it is showing you an type error because you cannot add an integer with a number, means an integer with a string. In such cases you can use a casting in which you are going to use the str to change the data type of the two, in which we are going to change the data type of a 2 into an string. And when we use such thing, it is going to show you an answer or an result. I said hi Google 2 times, because you have completely changed the data type of a 2 into an string. And you can also do this particular thing with z equal to we say it as a formatting in the string, in which we are going to say I said hi Google, and I use flower braces 2 times, and I just save it, and under the print x plus y plus z dot format of, and then I use p equal to 2, and I use p here, and I just save it, run it. When you use format, now it is going to show you an answer. Here you got answer hi, I said hi Google 2 times. Why? Because whenever you use a format and give an input to the format function, it is going to put that particular string or the particular number into this brace, which we have kept empty, and it is going to show you the result. And this is how we go with the formatting in the Python. Now I am going to discuss the escape characters in the string. Sometimes we need to use the escape characters in our string to display a perfect output. Like we need to add the line break, and we need to add a backspace, new line, tab. In such cases, you cannot use directly the line break in your input so that it will display the output. No, it's not going to happen. For example, here if you want to use double string to your output, you cannot use like this. Like if I say Google and I use a double string, then it is going to show you an error, because it is not possible in any of the Python formats. In such cases, you in fact you cannot use Google, and I say print, and I say X, and I just run the program. Then it is only going to show you Google. It is not going to show you the Google with another double quotes. Like here you are going to get output, it's shown you in the Google. If I use double quotes here and double quotes here, and I just run the program, then it is going to show you an error, because it is not possible in Python itself. And for such cases, we are going to use the escape characters. If I just use this escape character here and this escape character here, and I just when I use escape characters like this slash and string, now it is going to show you an double string to your output. This is why we use escape characters. In fact, if I use here the triple string, means the docstring command, and I use I said hi, and I just use a line break Google, and I just say run the program. Now it is going to show you I said hi Google only. It is not going to show you it is not showing you line break. But also if you want to use any line break to your output, then you can use this by n Google, and it is going to show you an line break to your output. Instead of using a lot of a space in your code editor or IDE, you can only use this bar n for a line break. Like I said hi Google, we didn't give any of the line break in our input. We just use escape character /n, and it is showing us a line break. In fact, you can able to use a tab here, so that it will show you a tab. Like as I said, I said hi Google, and it had shown a tab here, and next Google. And this is how we go with escape characters. There are a lot of escape characters. You can go through it. I will give you the link in the description. Thank you. Well, do subscribe our channel for regular updates. Thank you.